Do you feel like life's not worth living anymore? Are you at your tipping point every day? Life may be hard right now, maybe even unbearable. You may be experiencing trouble at school, at home, with your family, or among your friends. Maybe someone close to you betrayed you, or you feel let down by your lack of progress despite how much effort you've spent. The struggles of everyday life can be all too demanding at times. So this is an open letter to those who have lost all hope in life. So it may not feel like it, but know this. You're not alone. No matter what you're going through, it's possible to find happiness again. It might not, matter of fact, it probably won't be easy. And you'll probably experience failures and want to give up. But keep trying. You're strong. Didn't get out of bed early today. It's okay. Go easy on yourself and try again tomorrow. Didn't pass the entrance exam at your dream university or get the dream job you've been eyeing since forever. You're allowed to feel gloomy because rejection stings. But know that you're always allowed to rise above it. Life is actually never about the outcomes. For example, remember what it's like having a crush? It was fun daydreaming about them every now and then, but it can be devastating when you confess and realize they don't feel the same way. Some of you may move on quickly, but some may take a little while longer to heal. You may even feel hopeless to ever find someone again. But try to remember that it's not your fault. When you're too attached to the results, you set yourself up for disappointment when you don't get it. And let's face it, there's no way that life will hand its best gifts to you all the time. There's gonna be detours, road bumps, and stop signs along the journey. But once you realize that you can't control the things outside of your control, and you can only control how you respond to these things, you can then start to feel a little lighter and a little happier. You may not notice it much at the start, but you will find it eventually. The person you had a crush on may be unreachable now, but that doesn't mean you can't find someone else who isn't. That job or school you've always wanted to join may not be accepting you at the moment, but there's always the next one. And if not, then the next one after that. Whenever it feels like the world is weighing you down, please remember, you're not alone. There's always hope at the end of the tunnel. The pain and listlessness you're feeling now will eventually fade, and you'll grow from the experience. Maybe not the way you once intended, but in a way that pushes you forward. And once you feel like you're slowly picking up the pieces again, which you will, you'll look back and thank yourself for putting in the consistent daily effort to become a better person and for rising above your mind's traitorous beliefs and hopelessness. So, what should you do to make your future self happy? Find your larger purpose. Realize you're not alone in your journey. Reach out to your friends for support and work towards your goal day by day. Each step is hard. It might even feel impossible, but we hope you at least try. You may fail, but try again. Fight for yourself. However tiresome it becomes, never let yourself succumb to despair. And after time, your spark will eventually return. Maybe in a way that differs from your expectations, but it will. And a new you will emerge, happier, healthier, and wiser. Allow yourself to rest, but never stop fighting.